All right. Well, we are at the spot, guys. We made it. The odd story. The spot's blown. There's a security guy here. But I told him, I just want to fly my drone. And he thinks I said, I want to find my drone. So I'm going to fly my drone. But he let me in. So, by the way, I'm actually Ignatius. I don't know if you know me, or I don't know how you ended up here at this channel, but what we do here is we fly drones. All kinds. We prefer to build them ourselves, but as of this date, which is December 3rd, 2020, building drones is like passe, by the way. It's like, I don't know, I hate to use that word, but that's where we're at. Building drones is not really needed. DJI, who by everybody's account, meaning most people in the industry, by the way, I'm an FAA certified 107 holder, but yeah, I'm an FAA certified pilot, remote pilot. That's what we're about here, is safety. That's the other thing, not just building our own drones, but we do the safe thing. So I was talking to the security guy, and I got a little bit of time to rip, so let's just get to ripping here. Alrighty, I brought two quads, basically the same. They're right there. See them? Boom, boom. Yellow and blue props is with dynamic filtering and dynamic filtering. It's two of the things left on. The other one has all of them turned off. I always run in the actual filters tab PT1, and then I turn off all the notches. All right, these have ButterFlight 3.5 on it, but yeah, so one has the dynamic filter on, the other one does not. Okay, let's rip now. That's what we're checking to see what difference that makes, if any. Okay, thank you for coming by here and listening to me. We're probably already in the air and listening to me. Alright, so we met that tree, as you can see. And we sure did. Let's take a look at it. That's where it is. How are we gonna get it? I got string. Alright, so here we are. There's my controller, my Tyrannus. Up in there is the drone. It's like right there. And here's how we get it down. With this big old, look at the size comparison with that big old cone. Okay, let's see how long it takes. Well, there's my drone, first shot. But the cone is not in the tree. I literally got it with the first shot. Quad's still filming. Quad's still recording. Hold on, let me unplug. Quad's still recording. Yeah. Now I gotta get that cone out the tree though. That's the right thing to do. Okay, there's the cone. Alright, so what else we do here at WDA is we make iPhone and GoPro videos. That's what we do. iPhone GoPro. I mean, if we're in studio, of course, then we can break out the big guns, but to run around with the big guns, it's not needed. I film on an iPhone 10 because that's what I have paid for. Alright, so that was like pretty refreshing rip. I haven't flown a few. Anyways, dynamic filters off, or I like it. I'm going to do it again a little more. But I'm not going to really be able to tell until I fly the other drone. I'm going to edit all this down. The way this quad feels. I always have. This thing is so old, the insides of this. Alright, let's jump into the next quad, shall we? And you're in. Identical build, except it has the Wind Dancer Popo edition, the newest Wind Dancer prop. But otherwise it's identical. What it takes to get B-roll and cover and thumbnails. Already, I don't know. I don't like it. I don't know why it sounds like that. Why does it sound like that? I don't like it. I know that much. It ain't nothing. There's nothing different. I don't like it. One prop gone. Blown out. Blown it out. She gone. Yeah, I'm not in love with this filtering. I think it's dynamic filtering. That's all it is in ButterFlight. I've always had it off, and I'm going to keep it off. It's up to you what you want to do. I run PT. I'll show you a picture if I want to make my life more difficult for. So, but I'll just tell you the truth. While you're doing the page, okay, here we go. Ready to go? All right. Go to your PID tuning. See the filters, ButterFlight? Click it. Says set up from default on biquad. Turn that off. PT1. Turn off all the other switches below. They should be not colored. Okay? Alright, so now you have turned off all your filters. Now, in the where it's asking you to set up your receiver and air mode, it also has something called dynamic filtering. Do yourself a favor and turn that off. I turn it off. I've always have. I've never had that on before. And I can tell you the truth, it's much better to have it off. I'm going to go back to flying with that off. That's what the other quad set up with. The other pack that I brought, the third one, 3 packs a day. Just going to spend my third pack. Other than that, that's what we learned today. I really do appreciate everybody who viewed any second of this. You can. Oh yeah, that's the other thing. You might catch me dancing. Go ahead, change the channel. Flip. You have many channels in your feed. I have 700 on my personal one. Over. So if I get too ranty, if you don't like my dancing, if you don't like my science, you can change the channel. But I do appreciate every moment you spend with me. I know you have options. All right, let me rip that third pack. Remember, only together we fly.